Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to cancel omio ticket. If you want to cancel omio train ticket, follow me in this video guide. So friends, basically you can cancel your ticket. Just click your booking page. So before confirm your ticket cancellation, you should be full refund amount including your cancellation. So this is your booking details, upcoming and archived. If you want to cancel, just go to your booking number, write your booking number from here, and then write your email address. So from this page, you can cancel and you can manage your ticket or ticket successfully without any problem. So you have your booking, you just click manage from this section, and then you can cancel and manage without any problem. So friends, if you have also any problem, just go back this page, click this one. From this page, click on the contact option. From this contact option, you will redirect it to support page. And then from this, click chat with us. From chat with us, write this simple message. I want to cancel my ticket. To help your ticket cancellation, provide your email address. Write your reference booking reference, and then you can cancel through this booking reference here. Just click manage. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helped.